Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod with bag. About this item. Lightweight tripod with adjustable height legs and rubber feet. Compatible with most video cameras, digital cameras, still cameras, GoPro devices, smartphone adapters, not included, and scopes. Recommended max load weight is 6.6 pounds, 3 kilograms, for optimal performance. Weighs 3 pounds, extends from 25 inches to 60 inches when center post is fully extended, carrying case included. 2 built-in bubble view levels and 3-way head to allow for tilt and swivel motion, portrait or landscape options. Quick release mounting plate helps ensure fast transitions between shots. Lightweight design. The lightweight Amazon Basics tripod can support most cameras up to 6.6 pounds and features a quick and easy setup for convenient on-the-road use. Adjustable height. The tripod's lockable legs can extend from 20 to 48 inches and include a center post that can be cranked up for a total height of 60 inches. Built-in levels. Featuring built-in levels at the base and camera plate as well as stabilizing, non-slip rubber feet, this tripod helps you achieve the perfect shot. Includes carrying case. Easy to collapse and transport, the 3-pound tripod includes its own zippered carrying case with adjustable shoulder strap.